Hi guys, it's story time. It has been a really fun week because we had the Black Friday sale and we have the Cyber Monday. And today I'm going to tell you a little bit about what is going on behind the scenes of Slick Hair TV here in the headquarters of Slick Hair. I'm standing in the packing department where I spend most of the time throughout the weekend pick and packing orders for all of you guys. Thanks to all of you that placed the order. It means a lot that we have your support and also that we have the opportunity to give you these nice products or make them available for everyone, each of you. One of the stories I'm gonna tell you is how we came up with the idea of the wrecking ball. It actually started 9 years ago when I was shooting a video with a product we cooked up. We had a sweatband around it, so it looked like a snowball, and we named it the Snowball Wax. It was a project that never came to life. It was 9 years ago and we didn't have what it took at that moment to produce a fully batch of hair products. However, last year we were sourcing packing for this project called the Snowball Wax. That's why we have a wide edition of the wrecking ball jar, and we found out that we wanted to do a product that was more in line with the By-V-Lane range. So what does it mean, wrecking ball? For us, it means that you have the power to break through anything in your life. When you style your hair with a powerful product, you're definitely ready to conquer the world, at least so in speech. What it is, it's a light clay with just enough hold to get your hair in position all day long and without making it too stiff. It's not oily, it's more in the matte and lightweight category, so that's a big plus for me. Nothing you ever seen before in the By-V-Lane line. Here is some clips from the sales. It's like crazy. Everybody at the office is applying themselves into this sales madness, I like to say. We had thousands of orders to fulfill. Emil and I and the rest of the headquarters were helping out, fulfilling all of the orders. Just behind me, here is some footage for you to see. Now to a question that we get a lot. Can you get your hair cut in Slick Hair Studio? And the answer is yes. 8 years ago, Emil and I decided to have a physical location where you can come and experience the magic from the Slick Hair TV in real life. You just have to go to Denmark, in the city of Aarhus. It's the second capital we have here. It's a small city compared to to New York, Hong Kong. And we've been doing that for 8 years in the name of Slick Hair, so we definitely know what we're doing. Bonus thing going on here in December is our Christmas calendar. Emil and I will try our best to have a new upload every day on our Instagram channel. It's called Slick Hair TV on Instagram, so it's easy to find. We'll post about the daily lives and our life here at the office, the headquarters of Slick Hair. Then a little bit behind the scenes of the Slick Hair TV productions, and just in general how we are doing with the By-V-Lane products and fulfillment in the background. Lately we have been experimenting a little bit with our content, so we are doing some nice ASMR episodes. The reason why we're doing the ASMR is basically to create the virtual edition of a haircut. So if you are not in the area of the Slick Hair Studio, you don't necessarily need to go there to feel the real experience. So we're creating sounds from the machines, from the scissors and the hair wash. If you really get your mind into it, feel like you're actually sitting in the chair, which is somehow a funny and amazing experience at the same time. Not everybody like it, but you can check it out if you search for Slick Hair ASMR. A little news update is that Emil and Sarah has moved to Copenhagen because we are planning to open a Slick Hair Studio in the capital of Denmark. So we have 2 locations. A funny thing, of anywhere in the world, somebody decided to open a Slick Hair Studio in India. We don't know who is behind it, but it's there. It's real, If some of you knows about it, you can write in the comment section down below. We have nothing to do with it, but we think it's funny that Slick Hair Studio is getting copied. Not to forget to talk about the Neon, the latest release, along with the Wrecking Ball. It's some of you know it from earlier Sea Breeze, but it's not the same products. It's a reformulation, it's even better. So I definitely recommend Neon as a pre-styler for texture, hold and volume, along with the Sidekick, which is one of my favorite products. Once again, I'd like to thank you guys for supporting Slick Hair TV along the way. It means a lot that you're stepping by once a week, once a month, or even once a year. Everything takes into account. We appreciate it a lot, and keep it coming with the likes, the comments, and please also share the videos when you feel something is worth sharing. Alright guys, we also have the prize, which is some Bybee Lane products. You can win it. You just need to click the like button, and then you need to write a comment and be a subscriber, and you can win some nice products. You'll find out if you're the winner next week. See you guys.